Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Everyday Jewish Mom, and today we are cooking for Shavuot. If you follow me on here or on Instagram, you know that I love to cook with my kids, and I really think that that's part of celebrating a holiday, is doing the thing together. So today I have 3 dessert recipes for you, all of which are fast and easy, and you could even do with no equipment, like just a bowl and a spoon. So let me show you what we're doing. We are going to make an ice cream sundae pie. Ice cream pie is one of the easiest things to make. I forgot to mention, during Shavuot, the tradition is to eat a dairy meal. So very traditionally, that means making cheese blintzes or making cheesecake. That is like way too complicated for me, especially to do with kids. So we are making some easier things. We are making an ice cream sundae pie. I'm starting here with a pre-made Oreo crumb crust. They make graham cracker crust like this too. And then we're just gonna scoop some ice cream in. I'm gonna do 2 different flavors, kind of like an ice cream sundae. So smush it down, spread it out. All right, now we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in the freezer. We want strawberries stay on the bottom and chocolate stay on the top, okay?
Okay, we just pat it.
Yeah, just pat it.
Gently.
It is best to let your ice cream soften a bit before you do this, but try not to let it get all melty. When it gets melty, then it crystallizes when it freezes again. So any good ice cream sundae needs some whipped cream on top. Before I serve it, I'm gonna whip up some whipped cream. You could absolutely top this with Cool Whip or Ready Whip in the can if you wanted to, but I like to make it fresh. Here, this is just whipping cream, some sugar, and some vanilla. And vroom, there we go. I put some chocolate hard shell on top of my ice cream for a little crunchy chocolate. Some whipped cream. There you go. Cover it all up. Whoa, okay, that's enough. We're also going to make a cheesecake ball. Like I said, cheesecake is a little more complicated than my kids are going to be able to do with me. And so we're gonna make a cheesecake ball. It just involves mixing a bunch of ingredients together and forming it into a ball. Then we're gonna coat it in sprinkles. I will link this recipe below, but it really is mix a bunch of stuff together. Here we have butter and 2 things of cream cheese. My ice cream got too melty from being on the counter, and I did not have this on the counter long enough, so it ended up a little too hard. Should we show our little bear? 1. That little bear does an amazing job at keeping the brown sugar nice and soft. I'll link it below. So, powdered sugar time. Vanilla. And then stir it up. Especially when things are hard to stir, sometimes it helps to put a kitchen towel underneath it. It'll stop the bowl from spinning. Now I'll put it in the refrigerator for half an hour just to help it harden up a bit. And cut it in half.
This pink is in my hand.
Alright, here we go. No eating, please. So I'm gonna turn it into a circle.
Now into there.
Loop. And roll it around. And now pick it up and then turn it to the other side. Nope. Here, we're gonna put it in. There you go, and then sprinkle around or just roll. Yes, the recipe says that it makes 1 ball, but it was gonna be really big, so we split it into 2. I love chocolate, so this one has mini chocolate chips. Here comes cheesecake ball with chocolate chips. Oh, so good. Ta-da!
Want to try some? Not that one. This one. Look at chocolate chips. Okay.
Next, we're gonna use the vanilla ice cream that I didn't use from that carton of ice cream, and we're gonna make little ice cream sandwiches. I made these, or we made these, delicious chocolate cookies. They're actually, I made them during Passover, and it's such a good recipe. It's made with egg whites, so they're like crispy but soft, like meringues. but super easy. And we're just gonna put some ice cream between these. These they can eat right away. Of course, you could use different kinds of ice cream, and or you can put them in the freezer and eat them later. Okay, that's enough because we need ones to put on top. All right. Okay, and then what do we do?
Put toppings on it. This.
Good job. I'm gonna do that one. Thanks for checking out my video today. I hope it gave you some inspiration for cooking with your kids and celebrating Shavuot. I will link to the video that I made last year about celebrating Shavuot. I put out videos all year round on being a mom and being a Jewish mom. So don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and check out what else I've got going on.